Hello, I'm Franz Joseph Haydn, an Austrian composer, one of the most prominent composers of the classical period. My story described as a rag story trip, and I become the father of the symphony.
Joseph Haydn is finishing on what he composed that day and tried to perform his music on the streets. But patrons had come past by and saw Haydn playing his violin. Siguro natin na Strawasin pwede na siya rin as our personal music director. Niya ang pagkahuman. Pwede ka na magkuhaan as our personal musical director for your sound study. And we will sponsor my everything in time panghihatag. Then, tutunuan namin yung about music and about how to use some instrument. Ang mga ato ka tomorrow sa Haydn got no choice but to go with them and accept the sponsor and the big opportunity. Sound, say proper way ang gamit natin ng instrument. Okay, thank you. Later, he received a message and got a very upsetting news. Mami special, ay mami ko ano na, naiingon lang nimo, ay ikaw nga dili lang ka ma-disappoint. Ang tama kasabot sa isang usay. Ang akong Bible kay na ano siya, dili lang ni pa-offer sa bayan niya. Ganun ka lang nila sa mga sabot naman, di na lang makaya mapati mo mga expenses kay walang sa sa budget. And after that, he continued to compose a song and play on the streets. But soon after, the family of Esther Hazy passed by and got their attention. Musical direction of our studies. Okay, let's go home.
I need to know who is it.
We don't know his name yet, but I think we can find him tomorrow at the street. Go. Our personal musical director of our studies.
making more music and had ignored his mental health. And that day, he died in May 31, 1809. Because of hypertension, he died because of lack of physical activity and exercise. I know it's sad, but still his compositions and music he created are still alive and has been used in some theaters and other plays.